So today we are going to discuss about how to reset the configuration revision number. Okay. So these are the things we have already discussed. So this protection and how to reset the configuration revision number, both are the same thing. So I will explain. So how to reset revision number or CR number. Oh, नहीं हो रही क्या? Give me a moment. Oh, okay, I'm not sharing it. Okay. So let me know once you're able to see. Done? So why it's so important? How to reset the configuration revision number? For example, if you have existing network is working, okay, you have a lot of switches here. You have connected, you have connected, you have connected. Here, then here, then here, here. Okay. For example, this is a core level, and this is access layer switches. Okay, access layer switches. So, for example, in your storeroom, one switch was available, and this switch got faulty. Okay, and you are planning to replace this switch by by removing this switch. You are going to replace this switch. For example, this is switch number one. It's got faulty, and you are replacing with this one. As soon as you will connect the uplink connection and power on, so because it's your switch only, and might be domain name is same, because domain name if differ, then VLAN flooding will not be happening, right? Once this switch will receive the BTP advertisement, it will match the domain name. If domain name is matching, then it will accept the BTP flooding. Just taking example, we have a domain name same and CR number is high. And CR number is high and VLAN, no VLAN information. Right? These are the attacker switch or any existing switch in your network is available and you are going to connect in network. If this criteria is fulfilled, then whatever devices you have configured the VLAN, right? Except transparent mode, all the server mode switches and client mode switches will have a zero VLAN information. Means as soon as you will connect it, it will remove the all the VLAN from your existing network. So it's a big issue, very big issue. So always recommendation is before putting the new switch on the network, connect the console and make sure your configuration revision number is 0, not high. And generally recommendation is change this switch mode into transparent mode, and then connect into existing network. And once it's connected on existing network, then one second, this is calling me. Hello. हाँ भाई. वालेकुम सलाम. हाँ बोलो भाई. Okay. So BBC make sure your switch should be in transparent. And you know transparent mode always CR number is 0, right? So if CR number and also you know transparent mode switches will not generate any, will not generate any BTP advertisement, right? It will listen the BTP advertisement. Once it's received, it will forward to other switches.
Right.
So I will show you both the cases. For example, this one, once I will increase the high number without VLAN, and then I will connect into the existing network, and you will see like all the VLAN, all the communication stop working. Then preferred way is like we will make the transparent mode, or we will make as uh, like other things as well. I will explain about how to reset configuration. Then we will reset the configuration revision number 0, and they will connect the network. So you will see like each and every communication is being working as it was earlier. But once this criteria is fulfilled, then you will see like your network went down, entire network went down. Okay. So we'll explain one by one. Don't worry. So just uh, remove this one, and then
इरेजर का साइज थोड़ा बड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा.
what?
इरेजर का साइज. Can increase the size of eraser.
That's okay. थोड़ा टाइम ऐसे चलना चाहिए. Anyway, now how to configure reset the configuration number? First, change the mode. Change the mode of switch to transparent mode. Transparent mode. So that CR number will be 0. That is the first. And second one is like change the domain name to some other name, and
It
later
should be unique or
what name?
change the domain name to
Yeah, domain
some
name
other number.
could be different, which is available on your existing network. Could be anything.
Could be anything or something unique
No, could
which
be
is not
anything.
in our network.
Yeah, which is not in your network. Apart from that, you can use any. For example, ABC in your
Okay.
network. So you can use XYZ or something.
Okay.
As soon as you will change the domain name, uh, then your configuration revision number will be 0. Some other name, and later come back to same name. Means first change the some bogus name, for example XYZ. Okay, and once you connect it on the network, then change it to correct name. Then it will start receiving the VLAN information from the existing switch. So means first we need to reset the configuration revision number by changing the domain name. After that, once it's connected into network, we will do the same configuration, for example ABC, and then this switch will start receiving the all the VLAN information. Don't worry, we will prove all. So generally third one is also there. They are saying like you can delete the VLAN.dat file. Means sorry, delete VLAN dot that file from flash and factory reset the switch. Or you can say from flash and reload the switch device. Okay. This is the three method. Generally, you need to you can answer only two. People not aware about this third term generally because I remember one time I was explaining to interviewer. He was expecting only two answers, so I explained three. So he said once I said like what are the way to configure reset the configuration revision number as a zero. So he said I explained like there is a three way. So he said like what are the three way? I had about two only. So sometime you need to answer this one. It will be add more value and at front of interviewer. Okay. I will show you all
Okay,
three method
basically,
how we are going to reset the configuration revision number. If you will not reset the configuration
simple.
revision number, I explain what will happen. It might be you can ruin your all the network. Okay. So this configuration revision number is required when you are adding the new switch generally. So, but you should aware like what is the CR number and how it's going to impact our network and how you are going to reset the configuration revision number. Okay. Okay, let's explain like just go in lab and explain. After that, we'll see all the we will prove this one, and we will later we will see like how it's going to ruin our network. After that, we will see how we are going to protect our network. Okay, three things we are going to explain. Let's open the lab. Just do GNS today. Okay, so just this one, right? To just take three, then take this one, take this one. Take the cable. Okay. So This is the our setup. Let's put it on all the switches. So you remember, if I will make all the port as a trunk port for this switch, then this side ports will become a trunk port, right? If I will enable all the port here, then this all the connected port will become a trunk port. Okay. So just click on this device, config T, no IP domain lookup. This we need to run on all the switches. Okay, host name core one, core one, and then core two, config T, host name core two. Then this command you need to run everywhere. Then this one, switch number one, switch two, switch three. Config T, host name, switch number one, and then run this command. Why? Because sometime I am putting the wrong command, so it will go on DNS and start searching for what is meant by this name. That's what I am disabling this DNS features. Config T, host name, switch number two. Then here third, config T, host name, switch number three. Done. Do write MEM. And just check BTP. So BTP status. So you can see BTP version 1 is running. It's supporting 1 to version 1, 2, 3. BTP running is disabled and CR number is disabled. VLAN is 5. You know that. Why is 5? By default is 1. Default VLAN. You can see so VLAN brief. So you can see VLAN 1 and this is token ring and FDDI. So total 5 VLAN is by default. That's what is showing 5 VLAN is existing VLAN. Okay. And this one you will see MD5 value. Value will be same everywhere. So BTP status. Okay. So generally we are enabling the BTP here, and here is automatically is reflect to these switches. Okay. We have only 2 minutes. Then I will start configuring in the new session. Give me one moment. Hello. Good morning. प्लीज बताइए.
चल पता नहीं हो रहा है क्या आए फटाक से
नहीं. हाँ मैं करता हूँ. हाँ ठीक है, कर दो। थैंक यू।